Hi everyone, this is the Genesis V11 client GrabWorks, and it is only GrabWorks that I have installed on this PC. I need to specify the location of the server by open the framework's location utility. I can specify the server name and where is the secondary. No need to specify the secondary because the client will download the cluster configuration from this server. And on this server, the PC5, I have configured the cluster here. This is the cluster name V11, and it is the pair of PC5 and PC6 as the cluster here, the framework cluster. And I use this cluster as the default cluster for standard client such as GrabWorks, WebHMI, Web API Service. And now, after configure the location on the client side to have the configuration to download the configuration from this PC5, it will download all of cluster configuration. If we click on the next button, it will download the cluster configuration from PC5, and it will show you how many server and what server are in the cluster. In this cluster, there are PC5 and PC6. You do not need to specify the secondary anymore. And you can have more than 2 servers in the cluster. You can add the cluster on the PC5 and PC6 here. After specify the location of the cluster, we can browse the tag from the cluster. As you can see here, I browse to network connection, platform service, framework, and active name to show the current active server name. And we can browse to network connection to the data connectivity, the OPC classic server capeware here. This is the current active server, and I will stop the framework on the PC5. I will stop the framework server, and you can observe the process at the left hand side. As you can see, it switched to PC6 and we not fear the disruption. And when it get back, here it back to PC5. Thank you for watching.